New Jersey fire alarm, burglar alarm, and locksmith bond. What is a New Jersey fire alarm, burglar alarm, and locksmith bond? All locksmiths, burglar alarm, and fire alarm business license holders must furnish a surety bond. This is done to guarantee that they will perform their duties in accordance with state laws, which can be grounds for claiming against the company's bond if these rules are violated by any of its employees or members who hold this type of permit. Why is the New Jersey fire alarm, burglar alarm, and locksmith bond required? Businesses must purchase a bond to activate their license or permit. This guarantees that if the business fails to comply with licensing and permit laws, they will be compensated by the surety company for any damages incurred due to this negligence. How does a New Jersey fire alarm, burglar alarm, and locksmith bond work? Getting this bond means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligé. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or the public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there are ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. How much does a New Jersey fire alarm, burglar alarm, and locksmith bond cost? This bond is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required, depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.